One morning, I woke up to find my dog sitting proudly on my bed with something in his mouth. Half asleep, I reached out thinking it was one of his toys. But when I took it from him, I realized it was my sock, one of the many that had mysteriously gone missing over the past few weeks. Laughing, I figured Max had a secret stash somewhere. I followed him to his favorite hiding spot under the couch, but instead of a pile of socks, I found a stash of cash. Turns out, Max had been collecting money from who knows where. I'm not sure where he got it all, but my little thief had me covered for the week's groceries.